Yeah.
But you could, any of them, you can make them longer. So you know yourself. Make
Yeah,
them
yeah,
longer.
yeah.
Add a couple of
You
foot to it.
you can enlarge the
Yeah,
the whole rig. Yeah. Yeah. So this comes like upside down, and there's the log that goes on the table and on the rollers. Obviously, the log table. Yeah. So Peter just dug up the other component from the jungle. Yeah, so we can show the machine. Show the machine now as it is complete. So this machine is called Robinson. Yeah. This obviously needs a bit of TLC, but it is fully functional once you're getting greased and all that. So this is the machine Robinson. A little bit of jungle still on it. Jungle remnants still on it. That's the machine. There you are. That's the. I think this one is the bottom one, isn't it?
No, that's the top part of it.
At the top. So this
that's
would be the top.
Yeah, yeah.
The top wheel, and that's going to be the.
Yeah. You see, that sits.
The ground one.
This sits on top of this.
This here.
This sits on top of this, and this
stays on top of that.
Yeah. And this
right.
here, you see, will be turning around about. This your bottom wheel going.
It's moving freely. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This one I think you'll need a bit of TLC, but it looks not bad.
No, well, like all those were.
So with the tracks, so these are the complete tracks, yeah.
They're the complete tracks.
And we do have the hydraulic unit as well.
The hydraulic fittings about.
Yes.
And the motor.
And the motor, which is like 35 kilowatts. 35 kilowatts.
Sorry.
35 kilowatts, was that?
I think it's 35 kilowatt.
35, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
huge. I think it's 30.
Huge machine.
It's adequate to drive that anyway.
Okay.
Because it was work on that, no problem.
That. Right. So, if any interest, just give us a ring, call us, get in touch with us. You've got the details, contact details, bottom of the page. So here you are, the full complete machine. Doesn't come with any blades. You can purchase those yourself. So as part of that Robinson sawmill, part of it is also the motor. You see that monstrosity over there, the green one, yeah, that over there, yeah, that's 35 kilowatts. And also the controller, which is the pump, hydraulic pump right here, right? So everything in here. So hydraulics, you can see here, the pump, yeah, and the electric motor, the green one over there. Okay, that's part of the deal. It comes all together as a pack, yeah.